guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I need to confess something with you guys. I'm not really good when it comes to cut creases, like doing cut creases. I've done it before. They're not my favorite because they're not easy to do. It came out pretty good. It's not something that I would typically do, but it is something out of my comfort zone. For today's eye look, I'm using my Dose of Colors Desi X Katie Friendcation palette that looks like this. It's so cute, so shimmery, so beautiful. And then the inside looks like this. So the shadows are so nice. I like that it has like all the neutrals, but then it has pops of colors, which I love so much. This one over here, and that shade is gonna be my transitional shade, my crease color. So what we're gonna do is, instead of holding my brush like I typically do like this, I'm gonna hold it upwards like so, and I just want to put it all over the crease. I'm gonna drag it out as well and then drag it in. Since I'm dragging it out a little more like this, more of like following that cat liner, I'm also gonna take my eyeshadow and drag it towards the outside, towards my brow. Like for whoever like struggles doing eyeshadow, like you guys take this as, you know, like even, it doesn't even matter if you have like so many years of practice or experience. It's a little hard to do, like it's not easy to do. I feel like that once you practice it so much and you're an expert, is easy, but for someone who, like, you know, I'm intimidated by doing a crease, so it's not something that I like to do often. And when I do it, I really take my time doing it, and sometimes it's just like, oh, I don't even like it, so I don't even want to wear it. But I'm making it my mission to learn how to do cut creases, practice cut creases. And you want to see something really cool? This is what my tea says. This life is a gift. Well, más claro que el agua no puede ser. Going with the next neutral shade, which is right here, and I'm switching my brush to a skinnier one that's not too fluffy. I'm gonna take it on the tip, tap off the excess, and I'm also gonna take it onto the crease area. Same way, I'm not holding it up like this, I'm holding it up more like that, just because I feel like it helps with color placement. So now I get to teach you. Looks good. This side looks better than this side already, but okay. Switch your brush again to a pencil brush, something very, very skinny. I'm gonna take, you guessed it, the darkest eyeshadow here. This one right there on the tip. Very, very little of it. Also, I think he's my neighbor from the 3rd floor. He's like screaming outside, so I'm sorry if you can hear him, but like I can't control him. And it's nighttime, it's like 12 in the morning, and he's screaming outside, so I'm sorry. Also gonna take that eyeshadow and tilt it more towards like this, so I hit it like right on my crease. And since it's a pencil brush, it'll give me like precise color. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my concealer and use this one from Juvia's Place. I'm going to place a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm going to take it on a flat brush, anything that's flat that will help you create that cut crease. And you kind of want to place a lot of it so that you can do this next trick that I'm about to show y'all. Do is you basically have all the concealer there, and you blink and you look up and you look to the side and you look everywhere, and then it kind of creates like where your natural crease is. I know how like you can see like the crease from my crease, like where it folds, the fold, there you go, the fold, you can see it there. So technically to your eyes that would be a crease, but when you do this, that would be like your actual crease. So just because like as we age, like our eyes start to drop, even like everything from our skin starts to drop. Take the concealer little by little, just start taking little by little on your brush and then connecting it like that. This is gonna take a while, so just, you know, make sure that whenever you're doing this, you're practicing, you're gonna give yourself time and you're gonna give yourself patience, because it's a pain in the butt, just letting you know. We just kind of like start connecting it like we did right here.
I'm just gonna drag it just to map out to see where I would want it to go, and then we'll see if that.
This part was the part where I was like, that doesn't look right. It looks weird. I'm gonna go in with this eyeshadow right here on a flat brush, and then I'm gonna press it into this concealer. So it's not gonna look good, but you just gotta keep pressing it until it looks better. I'm gonna do my wing eyeliner and then it'll start to make sense, so just bear with me. For the bottom portion of my eye, I'm gonna take these two colors right over here. I'm just gonna buff it in. That's pretty much it. Gonna take all this powder off that I put on just because I didn't want to have like eyeshadow fall out. And now what I'm gonna do is I feel like I need a little bit more bronzer, so I'm just gonna put more of my Fenty bronzer on my skin. Setting spray. I'm gonna put some highlighter on. This one is from Melt Cosmetics.
Am I in a shot? Okay.
No.
It's so pretty, Mommy.
It does look nice, right, I guess?
Yes.
Next time I would do it a little bit different, but it's not bad. This is my completed look. I think it looks pretty nice. It's something different, something out of my comfort zone. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys learned something. I learned something. I know that the next time that I do this eyeshadow look, I'm gonna be a lot better, and then I'm gonna try different techniques just so that I can do something different. And then also, we also learn a lot from other people, so I'm gonna go ahead and watch other videos of doing cut creases so that I can learn for myself. But for this time, not too bad. One thing that I would do also different would be to put bigger eyelashes, because these are nice, but I feel like if I had like a thicker yeah, like a Trixie lash, exactly, like something more bold, something more like in your face, it would look really, really nice. And I think I would probably put the placement of the lashes a little different on the outer corner. But that's pretty much it. Other than that, this is the look. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video.